Hey fam, it's been a while. Welcome back to Rochielin. The last time I did a video like this, you guys really enjoyed it. So here goes. I'm in the supermarket, as you can see from the background, and I'm gonna be grocery shopping. But the thing is, I have $100 budget, and I'm going to see how much I can get with $100. But if you know me, you know I don't go to one supermarket. I actually go to a few. How many things do you think I'm gonna get? Do you think I'm gonna get anything good? Comment below and let me know. And let's get to shopping. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So I'm at the supermarket called Hills. It's in Charlotte, North Carolina. And my first thing to get are fruits. I eat a lot of smoothies, or I drink a lot of smoothies daily. So I like to buy fruits. Fruits can be expensive and they do add up. So I'm gonna see how best we can make it work on this budget. So we're at the strawberry stand right now. And these strawberries say farm to table. So this is a local farmer. And I tend to like getting the things from local farms because I have this notion that they have a lot less things added to them. I feel like they're a lot healthier. I could be wrong. I really could be wrong. But as opposed to the mass-produced ones, I feel like these ones are closer to nature. Fresh local strawberry for $3.99. So we're gonna grab these. So next on my things to get are bananas. So that's 69 cents times 2 plus tax. For this supermarket, we're actually really here for meat. Meat is the main purpose why we come here because they specialize in meat. So won't be getting everything here. Just a few other fruits and then meat. And then we move on to the next location. Gonna get a parcel of chicken wings, and this is $6.18 for 1.77 pounds. Also getting ground beef, and this is for $8.21. Also got some habanero peppers. This is my substitute for Scotch bonnet peppers because if you know me, you know I really like Scotch bonnet peppers, but they don't have any. This will do for now. If you haven't checked out already, I do have a video where I interviewed a young female farmer who plants Scotch bonnet peppers in Jamaica. It's very interesting. I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out. But the habaneros will do for now. And this is $2.59. Look who's here. You guys know, he does most of the cooking and he's never made whole chicken before. So he's thinking of doing the whole chicken, but he's not sure how to do it. I've never done it before either. So he's on the phone talking to his mom, trying to get some ideas and inspiration of how to make it. We call our parents when we don't know what to do. As old as we are, it happens. Comment below and tell me if you call your parents when you need some information on a new recipe or something that they might know that you don't know of. What did she say? How to make it?
She said you just clean it. It's not a lot of cleaning since it's a whole chicken. And you season it up on the outside and on the inside. So who will season the inside? You?
You cannot just stuff your hand inside.
No, I'm gonna think alright, that just gonna feel weird to me.
No, you just stuff things and sometimes them put callaloo, right?
Callaloo?
Yeah, you never see people stuff it like turkey. They stuff different things inside of it.
No, I don't know. I feel like that's weird.
So you just stuff it.
It would feel like I'm pushing my hand in the chickens. And
you probably will be.
I don't know how.
And it's more in their stomach, kind of like up, right?
That's why you will do it.
Sure.
Good. Alright, let's get it.
So you guys, we're gonna season whole chicken with me. So we're finished here for today. We didn't get much in the supermarket. In fact, let me show you what we're getting. And comment below and tell me how much you think all of this is gonna cost. So comment supermarket number 1 and then the price, alright? So it's the peppers, the ground beef, whole chicken, chicken wings, 2 bananas, 2 strawberries, a mango, and a lime juice. Before I head to the cash register, just remember that I need to get chicken thighs. So now we also have chicken thighs. How much do you think this is all gonna cost? How much did you guess? Did you guess correctly? So the total is $42. which means that we have $58 left to spend. See how little bit, you see how small, like we didn't get a lot of things, but the money adds up. So we have to be very careful in what we take up next at the other supermarket. I know we need coconut milk and some other stuff, but you just gotta wait and see. So we're now off to location number 2. Hopefully we can get some good stuff and stay below the budget. Well, we have to stay below the budget, or at least at the budget. We cannot pass $100. So let's see what we can get. We actually do have a list that we're working from, so I'm hoping that we're able to complete everything off the list, check off every single thing, and stay within budget. So let me show you what's left. Rice, bread, kale, tomato, raspberries, coconut milk, and chocolate milk. And obviously that's not like a full-on grocery list, like a full extensive grocery list, but those are the things that we're out of at the moment. So we're hoping that we're able to get it under $100, you know, with everything that we got already. So challenging ourselves. We still have what, 2 more locations?
1 or 2, yeah.
1 or 2 more locations to go to see if we can get those things. So comment below and tell me if you think we're gonna be able to get those under $100. And comment and tell me what are some things that you get when you go to the supermarket. What is your weekly grocery budget like? How much is that? What does that look like? And tell me if it's for a family of 2, 3, 4, 1, whatever it is. You know, keep watching. It is raining cats and dogs outside, but I still have to come and complete this video and finish my shopping excursion. So we're in Trader Joe's right now, and the chocolate milk $2.99, and the only other thing in here is the coconut milk. It's like pouring, it's a thunderstorm outside. I need to hurry up and get out of here. I come here so often I can know where everything is. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is $1.99. There's like lightning and thunder and everything, but I'm done. So I got 4 cans of coconut milk and 1 chocolate milk, and it came to $11.17. Let me show you what outside looks like. Let's get in. Okay, we made it. Hello.
Hello.
It's raining and there's a lot of lightning and thunder. I know the stoplight is not working. I know everyone is just being a fool in the middle of the road, just doing whatever they feel like. Look at this truck. Oh God. Alright, so the lights are blinking. Are we ever gonna get across? Because nobody's gonna want to stop. Let's see. And then these ones coming from that direction, you better try just slowly creep up. But then this car beside you, he's so far out you can't see it. Watch y'all, boss. Look at this, look at this. Alright, we made it. Wow.
Alright, so it's raining and Rush had me run out of the car this time to go to this store that we get fresh vegetables and fruit from. It's a Hispanic store, but they have mostly fresh stuff here and stuff that I eat, like green bananas, that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna run inside and grab a couple things and see what that costs. So there's green bananas. There's no prices for them. I'll be getting some ginger also. So I'm just getting these 2 small pieces. I doubt they're gonna come to a pound, but hey. And a banana. Not sure what the cost is for the banana. I know I need it. I can't be that expensive, right? So they even have sweet potato, okras. I just want a couple of these because I'm gonna make some fish. So I'm getting some Roma tomatoes. Just need about 3 of those, and it's $1.59 a pound. Also, I'm gonna get some cilantro because I'm gonna make some green seasoning, and it's one of these ingredients I've read in my green seasoning. As you probably already know, I do a lot of cooking. I know what to get in when we go grocery shopping. Rush actually usually don't know. Trust me. She don't know what to know. She don't know nothing with the in of the house. Makes no sense.
So I'm I'm sitting in the car waiting on Sean to get out of the Mexican supermarket. He ran in this time. I ran into Trader Joe's earlier because it's raining cats and dogs. At least it was, because right now I'm seeing the sun peeking out now that I'm sitting here. But he only went in for 2 things. And he's been in there for a while now. So I'm starting to wonder, like, what exactly is he getting? I just feel like he's getting more than he needs to, but I don't know, because he literally went for 2 things. So I'm here vlogging from my phone, so let's see what he comes out with. Remember, we have $100 budget, and I hope he doesn't go over it, because like he's supposed to get tomato and one other thing. Like, what's taking him so long?
Rancho is $1.29 per pound. That's all right so far. I have guavas, mangoes, yam, yellow yam, white yam, any kind of yam. I think we're gonna cash out right now. I don't think there's anything else that I need. I'm just kind of browsing around quickly to see if I'm missing anything, but I think we're good right now. Guess what this is gonna cost? Cilantro, okra, ginger, and tomatoes. That came to $9.98. Let me know if that you're close. I actually thought it would be more than that, but $9.98. That's good. That keeps us in budget.
Why did he take so long to come in? How much money did you spend? $10. Okay, that's not bad. Right. Okay, he's forgiven. Like, he went in for 2 things. This does not look like 2 things.
Not more than 2 things. Not a lot more than 2.
It's a lot. We got plantains, so I'm not mad at it. Okay. Alright, so we're on to the next stop, and at the end we're gonna add up everything to see how much it really is.
So we got a green pepper.
What?
We're gonna grab a green pepper.
I thought you got what you wanted.
I just started with it. I'm making green seasoning and I need green pepper.
Wow. You see, guys, usually in normal relationships, when people go shopping, the woman takes forever in the store and the man is like, come, we gotta go. You see, in this relationship, this is the...
Let me tell you something about her. She not used to no kind of life of good living and eating wholesome food.
Wow.
She go to restaurant and go eat however the people in her but kitchen cook for her.
Wow.
And if she cook for herself or just whatever in her house, she throw it together because she don't know what they in her house.
What are you trying to say?
Yeah.
We don't believe anything he's saying, right? Anyways, go and get the green pepper and come back. Hurry up. Babe,
Yes.
just the green pepper. So I'm at the very last stop, which is at Walmart, and I'm only here to get 3 things: bread, rice, juice. So let's do that. So I usually like to get the potato bread because it tastes so darn good, but they don't have any in this Walmart, especially the specific potato bread that I like. My concern about the potato bread though is that it doesn't seem to go bad. Like, we'd have it for like a long time, and you know how bread would get the green stuff or they just start to go bad? I don't see where this one goes bad, so I'm a little bit concerned. But it tastes so good, it's like a guilty pleasure. So I don't know. But they don't have it here, so unfortunately gonna have to make another stop. But I have 2 more things on the list, so juice and rice. So let's get those. So we're home now. I know it's time to see all the damage that has been done. Let me unpack real quick. So guys, here's everything that we bought today. Grocery shopping. Every single thing from bananas to strawberries, sweet pepper, to scallions, to meat, juice, plantains, tomatoes, rice, beef, chicken, raspberries, coconut milk, bread, and all of that. So we did get quite a bit, which I'm very happy about. But can you guys guess how much all of this came up to? Remember at the start of the video, I told you that we have a $100 budget and we cannot by any means go over this budget because that's all we have to spend today. And we were able to get everything that we had on our list and then some more because, you know, some people went and bought some extra things, but I'm not going to call any names. So we got everything that we wanted, and guys, comment below, let me know how much do you think this all cost. And then now I'm gonna tell you that everything that you guys are seeing here came to a whopping $80.18. Not bad, right? Not bad. I am actually impressed. And apart of that, the part of the reason we're able to get some of the things too at this price is because we go to different locations where we know some things are a little cheaper than others. And then we are quite specific in the things that we want. So that's also another factor. Like we want a specific thing from a specific place for whatever reason. But this is what it looks like this week, and I'm happy that we were able to go on the budget. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. What is your usual weekly budget? How much do you spend? And how much do you get for $100 in your city, town, area, wherever you're living? Or if you're not in the US, the equivalent of $100, how much grocery are you able to get? I want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. I hope you learned something from this video today. Hope you found it enjoyable. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Rochielin, 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 with the vlogging. Rochielin, 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 a good thing. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype.
Hey, it's Rochielin. Remember to like, comment,